Hello YouTube, this will be a big chompy bird hunting quest. I am here with my brother.
What's up, guys? So we're gonna do big chompy bird hunting, which you'll need to. It's a relatively short quest. You'll need 5 fletching, 30 cooking, and 30 range as your requirements for skills. The items you'll need at start would be 100 feathers, 5 wolf bones, which if you don't want to buy those, you can always kill the wolves that are around here. You'll need a knife, a chisel, and a hatchet or an axe at the beginning, so you can go ahead and make these arrows. To start the quest, you're going to need to talk to Rance, and Rance is over here by Feldip Hills, southeast of Castle Wars. And just go ahead and talk to him and tell him that you accept, or that you agree to helping him, and that you want to make him some stabbers. You'll need 5 sets of wolf bones, so that'll make 21 arrows, and yeah, so let's go ahead and get this started.
He has a big bow.
Yeah, that's the orc bow. That's what we're gonna be able to use after we finish this quest.
Oh, that's cool. Does it do like damage? Is it a decent bow?
I have no idea.
I'd like to be able to use the magic short bow.
That doesn't take a quest. We just gotta get.
Well, yeah, I get our range up, but I still like to be able to use it. Remember, you have to have the feathers first.
Yeah. It's been a while. Alright, so.
I don't see why it's uneven like that.
I have no idea. It's just how these dang things work.
There goes all your arrows.
Yeah, there are all my feathers. Yeah.
Hopefully we don't have to rebank more.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, so then give him 6 arrows and tell him about the bait. Where make the choppies come from? What are the fancy toads? Alright.
Oh, I see how it is. Don't say bless you.
Bless you.
Rude.
Sorry. I was reading. Yeah, I guess you need to ask all of the questions, or else it won't let you continue on. So that was the one that I missed. Now I'm supposed to enter the cave just north of Rance, and talk to either Ficey or Bugs. So let's see what's going on up here. Oh. To find out, they use org bellows. Okay. To inflate the toads for fun, sadly they will inform you that their dad has locked the bellows in a chest. Go to the northwest corner of the cave and try to open the chest. When you have succeeded, search the chest to get a hold of the orc bellows. Okay. And if you fail to open the chest, your strength level will be temporarily lowered by 1. And it doesn't seem to be too bad. Leave the cave and head southwest towards a little swamp surrounded by wolves. Use the orc bellows on swamp bubbles to fill it with gas. So while we're doing this, we're also merchanting so we can make some money.
Yeah. What are we merching right now?
Right now we're merchanting Christmas crackers, party hat sets, and ween mask sets.
That's cool.
Alright, so we got orange bellow 3s. So to charge it, look around for a swamp toad and use the gas. Okay, so we're gonna blow up a toad.
Wolves.
Oh well, I ain't worried about the wolf.
Come here, Toady.
Alright,
How many do you need?
I guess 3.
3. Freaking wolves, man.
Yeah. Show him the bloated toad. He'll point out to you where you must put the toad to lure the chompy bird out. Alright, so just in case, we'll go ahead and fill this up again. Alright, so let's go back and talk to this guy.
This stuff looks like it would suck to fall into.
Yeah, that swamp goop.
Yeah.
We need to get some potions that'll help our run rejuvenate faster or something, because this is ridiculous.
Yeah.
Let's have the fat toads for you. Here, look. Okay, so obviously follow the arrow. And just drop it. Once it's on the ground, after a while, a chompy bird will appear. Talk to Rance as soon as you see the bird. He will try to shoot it, but will miss and blame it on the orc arrows that you have made. Convince him to give you a go at shooting the bird. Eventually, he will agree and give you his orc bow. So,
I have to go talk to Rance. So
go ahead and drop it.
said a chompy bird.
Yeah, it should appear.
So now you just have to wait for the chompy bird.
I suppose that's what it says. Let's go see. Shouldn't be long now. So I guess, yeah, we just wait. Make sure that...
What does a chompy bird look like?
Probably the ones that the gnomes ride on at the,
Right there. Okay.
Okay.
That's what it looks like.
It's like a little chicken looking thing.
So
So they're pretty much